Hey guys, welcome to DevOps Easy Learning. This is the continuation of the DevOps Terminology series. To view the previous terminologies, kindly click on the link below. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting on the subscribe button below. Next on our DevOps Terminology series is Kubernetes. Kubernetes, an open-source container orchestration platform, streamlines the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. It offers a framework for managing containers across various hosts, guaranteeing high availability, scalability, and resilience. Kubernetes abstracts the underlying infrastructure and adopts a declarative approach to application deployment, making it a favored solution for managing containerized workloads in DevOps setups. Next is Microservices. Microservices is an architectural approach where applications are built as a collection of small, independent services that work together to deliver specific functionalities. Each microservice focuses on a single business capability and can be developed, deployed, and scaled independently. This modular approach enables teams to develop and maintain services autonomously, increasing flexibility, scalability, and resilience in complex applications. Next is orchestration. Orchestration in DevOps involves automated coordination and management of tasks, services, and components to achieve desired outcomes. It encompasses defining workflows, dependencies, and sequences of actions to ensure seamless integration across systems and processes. Orchestration tools automate complex deployment, provisioning, and configuration tasks, reducing manual effort and ensuring consistency. Next is pipeline. In DevOps, a pipeline denotes a sequence of interlinked steps and actions orchestrated to construct, test, and deploy software applications. DevOps pipelines automate the software delivery process, allowing teams to achieve continuous integration and delivery. They encompass stages like code compilation, testing, artifact creation, deployment, and monitoring, ensuring a streamlined and dependable software delivery lifecycle. Next is observability. Observability in DevOps refers to the practice of gaining insights into a system's internal state and behavior by analyzing its outputs, logs, metrics, and traces. It is essential for understanding the health, performance, and behavior of applications and infrastructure. Observability tools and practices offer visibility into the system's internals, enabling teams to detect issues, troubleshoot problems, and optimize performance effectively. If you enjoy our contents and want more of it, kindly do well to subscribe to our channel by hitting on the subscribe button.